In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on Google Docs. If you've ever wondered how to sketch something quickly inside a Google Doc, there's a simple built-in option that many people overlook. We're going to use the drawing tool, which is the easiest and most reliable way to add freehand lines, shapes, and text right inside your document. Start by opening your document in Google Docs on your desktop. At the top of the screen, look for the Insert menu. Click Insert, hover over Drawing, and then choose New. This opens a separate drawing window where all the action happens. Think of it as a small canvas that you'll save back into your document when you're done. Along the top of this window is your toolbar. If you want to draw freehand, open the line drop-down and pick Scribble. Scribble is the name Google uses for freehand drawing. Once it's selected, click and drag your mouse on the canvas as if it were a pen. Release the mouse to finish a stroke and repeat for additional lines. If your lines look a little wobbly at first, that's normal. Move at a steady pace, and don't worry, you can always undo a stroke if needed. For cleaner visuals, use the Shapes menu. You'll find circles, rectangles, arrows, and more. Click a shape, then click and drag on the canvas to size it. After placing a shape, you can adjust its look using the options along the top, such as line color, thickness, and fill. This is great for building simple diagrams, callouts, or boxes that frame important text. To add labels or notes inside your drawing, choose the Text Box tool. Click to place it, type your text, and then format it with the font, size, and color controls at the top. Text boxes pair well with arrows and shapes to make a tidy annotation. When your drawing looks the way you want, click Save and Close. Your drawing now appears in the document exactly where your cursor was. You can click the drawing to select it and then drag to move it around the page. To change its size, use the corner handles to keep proportions looking clean. A couple of quick reminders as you work. Freehand drawing is called Scribble and it lives under the Line tool. You can resize or move your drawing after inserting it. And for the best experience, use a desktop browser. The mobile apps don't fully support everything you've seen here. That's it. Simple, fast, and built right into Google Docs.